Hi, I got these this new saw here, this Metabo HPT brushless saw with a 36 volts battery here, and it's fully charged. And I've got the old Mag 77 skill saw, which is the old worm drive saw that is the industry standard up until recently. And we're just going to see the difference in power and speed and cutting this. I've got I misordered. They didn't give me the material I needed on this last order, so I'm going to cut this board down into some smaller boards. So this is a great example for cutting power for a circular saw, because a board this length will really try to bind. When I cut it, it's going to try to pinch. And so if, like for instance, if I had a small 18 volt, my Bosch 18 volt saw, it would die in a quarter of the cut. It would bind the blade and make it stop. So a saw this powerful should be able to make a cut. So we'll test it first with the old school saw, and next with the new school saw with the battery, and we'll see how this one works. I just bought this yesterday. I've only used it one day. It worked great, and now let's just see what kind of power it has. This is treated wood, and it's going to be a pretty long dusty cut, so I'm going to wear this mask. As you can see, there's a lot of tension in this board, so much so that it's popped at the end there. That's where we have a riving guard on our table saws and stuff, so that kind of thing doesn't hurt you. But anyway, it pretty much cut all the way until right there where it just popped. I'll clean that up later, but I won't do that for you now. Okay, so that was decent. I'm going to spin it around so I can cut down that line. Golly, that's a heavy board. Okay, well, as you can see, it's got a lot of tension in it. So it's a great test for a saw like this. So I've got another mark on the same board. Here, full depth. Sorry. There's a staple on the end of this board. I just can't bring myself to run my blade through it. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay. So this cut way better. And granted, this is a new blade on this saw, and that saw's, it's not a dull blade, but it's not a brand new blade. Maybe a thinner curved blade as well. Yeah, I think it is. No, it's not. They're the same. But it cut really well. This cut way better. It was almost like just gliding through. It was easy, and it had the power. Wow, I'm very impressed. My other saw would not have even cut a quarter of that. My other cordless saw. So this 36 volt Metabo is an amazing saw. I'm quite impressed, and still got most of its battery life. All right, excellent.